Hello everyone, good day. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this episode of our tutorial video, we will create a program to solve the area of the circle using visualbasic.net. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorial. So let's get started. We have here a form in visualbasic.net. So the first thing that we will do is to, in the title bar of our window form, is to write the title of our program. In this case, I will name it as area of the circle solver in vb.net or visualbasic.net. The next step that I will do is to go to toolbox menu, select the label, okay, and then drag to our form. Now go to the text properties and type give the radius of the circle. Hit the enter key button, and then I would like to make this font much bigger. So right now we are using Microsoft Sans Serif. This is the default font, but you can change according to your preference. So we selected the size of our font to 12. The next is to return to our toolbox and then select the label, the text box that will accept the input value of the radius. Click to our form, back to our font, and select 12. Next, we can use another text box. So what I can do is, to make it easier, no need to go to the toolbox menu, is to mark, copy, and paste. Okay, we will make some adjustment to the size. This is where the result will display. The next step is to select a button, drag to our form. We will make our font uh, 12 bold. Okay, so we will make our button much bigger, and then next to our text we will change the text here for compute. We will copy this button twice, and then here this portion we will change it to clear the text box, and then the third button we will have quit, to quit our program. So in the quit button we can simply put the command end to end the program execution, and then for the compute we can declare a series of variable dim radius as integer, dim dim area as single, dim pi as single. This will act as our constant, equals 3.14 f, the pi value of the circle. Next, area equals val text1 point text multiplied pi multiplied val text1 point text times, this is for the value of the radius, twice. Okay, so in this case I will using the word radius here, and then we will copy this one. So here we will call radius twice, okay. Now text box 2 equals the area of the circle is close ampersand area, okay, escape, point text. Let us save our work in this. Let us, after we have done with the compute, let us go with the clear. In the clear, we will clear the text box. Point text equals space space. We change to text 2, and then text box 1 point focus. Okay, to focus the cursor on the text box 1. Now this command is for our button quit, to exit the program or end the execution of our program. This button this command belongs to procedure, belongs to our compute, that will compute the area of the circle, and then this one is for to clear the text box and then focus the cursor in our program. Next, we will run our program to check. Okay, so in this example we can have 10 compute. So the area of the circle is 3, okay, 3.14. In our example we have some mistake, 3.14f. okay, so so we have here for 452.16 clear. So we have 5, so we can have 1, 3.14. okay, so here we have the right result now. So example, give the radius of the circle, I put 1, and then the radius of the circle is 3.14. so if we have to clear, we can put different values. Let's say for example 6. Okay, so we have the area of the circle is 113.04. so if we click the quit button, it will terminate the running of our program. So I hope that you have learned something in this tutorial video that we have. If you like this video, click the like button, leave the comment in the comment section of this tutorial video, and subscribe to my channel for more future tutorial video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Until the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.